online shoppers, I found a really cool eyeglasses strap. Now this one here is made by Sigonna, and what I liked about it is it's not one of those ones that has a tail that hangs out the back. It is tailless. So let's open it up and see how it works on my favorite Oakleys. Just open this up. It's fully adjustable, so that is something positive. And take a look at how cool this is. So this is adjustable and it absorbs the length of your cord by doubling it up in the middle here, depending on how much space you need for it to go around your neck. So if I'm installing it on my Oakleys here, I pull this out like this. Now this is gonna give me probably enough rope to get it around my neck. And the way you install it is you just insert the arm of your sunglasses or eyeglasses right into this opening right here, like this. Give it a little push, like that. Goes over the back. I'm gonna do the same on the other side, like that. And now I've got it installed. So now when I wanna wear it, I can let my sunglasses hang around my neck if I want to, or I can put them on just like that, and I can make an adjustment here. This here, I can pull this way to tighten up the cord along the back of my neck so that it can actually hold the sunglasses on my head so that they won't fall off. And then I have the option, if I want it to hang around my neck, to just give it a little tug here this way from the sides, pull it off around my neck, and I can give it a stretch. And it gives me a little bit more space to just hang it around my neck so they're there if I need it. Now the other place I use this is to secure them to the brim of my hat. Now I'm always wearing a hat and I forget my sunglasses are on the hat, and then I lean forward and then the sunglasses go tumbling down and then your lenses get all scratched up. Well, if you use an eyeglasses strap like this, when I put my sunglasses on the brim of my hat, I can just tighten this up around the back and it helps to hold my sunglasses in place. It's also pretty convenient when you're going through the bush if you have your sunglasses put up on the brim of your hat because it's a little darker in the bush, maybe a little bit more shadowy and shaded. Gives you that option to keep your sunglasses securely on there so that you don't lose them when you're walking through the bush over a distance, maybe if it's a little bit of thick brush or something like that. These Sigonna straps are pretty awesome. I like the flexible rubber pads right here that slip pretty easily over top of my sunglasses. I love the adjustment at the back so that I can tighten it up around the back of my head really nice and tight, or I can loosen it and have it hang like a cord around my neck so that I always know where my sunglasses are when they're not on my head. They're really cool. I think they're awesome. I'm pretty sure that these are going to be a family favorite at my house. What's up everyone? Thanks for stopping by my YouTube channel. I really appreciate you taking the time to check out my product reviews. It means a lot. Now if you want to get your hands on that really great product I just showed you, I've linked it for you in the description below. Make sure you don't miss any more fresh product reviews by clicking subscribe and turning on your notifications. That way you'll get notified every time I post fresh content. And if you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up, because that way YouTube knows you want to see more of my content. By the way, don't forget to cannonball and do what you love.